follow with Henry. Hi. Hey Henry, sorry I'm late. This is my partner I was telling you about.
Ephraim Divaroli.
Nice to meet you.
Absolute pleasure.
Please.
Henry has a dinner in 10 minutes, but I want you to hear this firsthand. I showed him the list and he could help.
Great, which part?
All of it.
He could fill the whole order.
The whole order.
Mm-hmm.
Even the AK ammo?
Not a problem.
You do know it is 100 million rounds, right?
Henry has contacts in
Albania?
Yeah, they prepared for a Western invasion. Never came. That country, it's one big giant arsenal. It was all just sitting there.
Tell him the best part.
They're in the process of joining NATO, so you have to dispose of all their Soviet-era weapons.
They're literally dismantling it and turning to scrap.
You can buy most of that shit for pennies on a dollar.
Now, tell him the other best part.
We're looking at the exclusive agent for the whole fucking thing.
Sorry, I got one question for you.
Sure.
With that kind of hookup, I mean, why don't you just bid on the contract yourself?
Full disclosure. I'm barred from doing any business with the US government. I'm on the watch list.
Terrorist watch list. Got it.
Wait, what?
So how much for the AK ammo?
10 cents around.
Oh, that's fucking amazing. And what about shipping?
Good Evolution 76 Russian pilots, AK per flight.
I'm sorry. You say you were a terrorist watch list?
The fuck are you, Homeland Security? Relax, bro.
We should probably talk this over.
We will, but we are very interested.
Good. My flight leaves at 10 a.m. tomorrow this morning. Can't spend more than 48 hours in this fucking dump.
Yeah, that's what I'm always saying. Vegas is a 2-day town.
It's funny about America.
See.